how to install Forge for Minecraft. So first, just close up your Minecraft. Now just open up your browser and search for Forge and click on the Forge files right here. And here you could either select any other version that you want. You could also select the latest, which is 1.20, 1.1, but I'll go with this 1.20 version and download the recommended one since it is more stable. So just click on installer right here. Now, once you're here, this will pop up, and what you need to do is just simply click on skip here on the top right. And this will pop up where you'll need to save your file or the Forge file. So just simply click on save. Now, once that's done, I'm just gonna go back here on my desktop and open up your files. Click on downloads, and just simply double click or open this Forge file right there. Now wait for it to load. This will pop up, and what you need to do now is just simply click on install client, then click on OK, then wait for it to install. Now once it's done, it will say this complete pop up right here, so just simply click on OK. And then once it's done, just open up your Minecraft launcher. So I'm gonna open up mine right here. Now once your Minecraft launcher is opened up, just simply click on the left side right here on Java. Then just simply click on Forge or the version of Forge right there. Then click on play and just agree to this. Then click on play again and wait for it to install. So it's downloading right now. Now it's done. You simply need to wait for it to open up. Now as you can see here, it's just downloading some files and stuff. Just need to wait for it. And now we have Forge opened up, and if you have mods, you simply need to click on mods, then open mods folder and select the mods that you want. And that's how you basically install Forge for Minecraft.